Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm Rina the Reindeer, and I want to show you how to create this kind of Christmas look. So if you're ready, let's start. I love to start my makeup with applying some cream on my face because I have a really dry skin and it's winter and I just need to feel better. And yeah guys, never use water creams in winter. You really don't want it. So then I apply my foundation just a little bit because I don't really need it this time. And then we are applying concealer that is lighter than our face. And then I use darkening drops for your foundation from Catrice. You may also use a dark foundation, but I found it really nice. I also wanted to say sorry that I'm not making it in the same way as I do. I don't, like show you every product as I'm used to do, but I hadn't got really enough time for this because I was preparing for my photo shoot. Yeah, I was sitting on snow in -5. It was quite nice, quite nice. After working with my sponge, I use invisible powder from Rudolph just to fix my makeup a little bit and blend it too. For eyes, I used NYX Jumbo pencil. And as palette, I used one of my favorite ones. I don't know how to pronounce it in the right way, but ZOEVA, maybe. Natural Yours, I think it's one of the best palettes you want to have. You just want it, believe me. Because it has everything for natural makeup and everyday makeup, and it's for anybody, just for anybody. You can find what you need. So be really careful applying this brown because you just need to feel your eye structure. It's quite simple if you have comfortable eyes. After that, I take a bigger brush and just blend it really well because I wanted to make it a little bit with more color. After that, you may use a white shadow or just clean brush to blend everything under your brows. To fill the underline of your eyes, you just need again to feel structure of your eyes. It will let you make it more simple and more natural. And also blend it really well with your clean brush. After that, I use black inside eye pencil. It's waterproof and it's from, I think, LA Girl. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, just feel your inner line. Just be creepy as me. Use any eyeliner you want to use. I used an eyeliner from NYX, just gel eyeliner. And Catrice brow mascara because I wanted to make my brows a little bit wild and also quite natural. Contour your face a little bit more with dry products, just a little bit, or maybe more than a little bit. It depends on you and your wants. Here you may use dark concealer or anything you want to use. It may be aqua color, it may be also the same stuff I used in the beginning, this darkening drops for your foundation, and then just blend it really well. And finally, here comes the fun, the real fun of making reindeer. I mean the second one, because the most fun of it is creating your red glitter nose, like a Rudolph. There is no day without mascara. And I think it was Wycon. And yay, we finally got to the point. Its nose, it's a red nose like Rudy. If you have black matte lipstick, just use it, because in another way you may have dirty lower lip. I'm sorry guys. And yes, I also use glitter from NYX. It's red and I'm happy. And in the end, just fix your makeup. So this is all for today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and visit my Instagram, because I have a lot interesting thing there. And see you soon guys. Bye bye. Love you all and have a nice year.